All right, after the mean, the second most common measure of central tendency is the median, which is the midpoint value in the distribution. Okay, so to calculate the median, to find the midpoint value, we can start by sorting our array. So we have a vector of all of our heads counts from our 1,000 5-coin flip experiments from earlier. So we can sort all of those values with the sort method. So now when we look at the first 20 values in our heads count, those are all instances in the 1,000 5-coin flip experiments where we had 0 heads. And the final 20 are all situations where we had 5 heads. So yeah, of course, we still have 1,000 values, 1,000 5-coin flip experiments. And with an odd number of values in a distribution, you can consider the single midpoint value to be the median. So for example, the midpoint of this sorted array here with just 5 values, 2, 4, 6, 9, and 10, the midpoint, the median, is 6. With an even number, you take the mean, the average, of the 2 values that straddle the midpoint. So in this case, with our 1,000 5-coin flip experiments in this heads count vector, we take the 2 values that straddle the midpoint, and both of those values in this case are equal to 3. So obviously, the average of those 2 points, it comes out to 3. Yeah, we just take the mean, right, of those 2 points. So following the same mean formula, this is probably getting into way too much nitty-gritty detail, but we're using the same formula as here, summing up the 2 instances and then dividing by 2 to get our mean of the 2 midpoint values, 3 and 3, which is equal to 3. So the median of our distribution, which we earlier calculated, had a mean of 2.47. That median comes out to 3. And of course, as with many common operations, we do not need to calculate this manually like this every time we'd like the median. We can use the built-in NumPy method, which gets the same result of 3. Nice, so that's 2 of the 3 most common measures of central tendency. Up next is the third that we're going to cover, the mode.